go and earth out. Something I try and do on a regular basis because I hate being confined into the office. I feel like I'm in jail. So I'm going to show Ben how I earth out. He knows how I earth out, but I'm going to show him anyway because I think I know how to earth out better than he knows how to earth out. Let's earth out. This is my nemesis. Makes me so angry. When people just put their shit in the bin.
Let's earth out.
I found the exact spot that I want to earth out. I like to go on a bit of a slant, especially because the sun sort of sets that in that direction over there, but the sun, I think, is hidden by the clouds. So this is the area that I would sort of like to earth out. I like to overlook kind of the park.
Show us how it works.
Oh, all I do is go like this.
That looks amazing.
Earthing out bears very similar resemblance to when I'm exhausted from running. Similar kind of thing, but without the exhaustion. Is that food?
It's my big toe.
Relax.
I think I worked it out. If you look at my fingers, I've actually plugged into the earth.
You're energized by the earth.
I'm plugged in, baby. So it does feel like you just went for a massive jog, but without the jogging.
Doesn't it?
I can jog like this every day.
Well, basically earthing out is just like dirting out.
I feel pretty fucking good.
Totally. I don't understand why people don't do this often.
In a sick world out, you can just lie on the ground and you feel better.
Absolutely.
That's when something's wrong.
So many people are going to see like psychiatrists, psychologists, you know, so many different problems people have. I understand it, I get it. I've only seen one psychologist in my life and I was forced to do it at school. But it was a horrible experience. I didn't really feel like someone else could dissect my problems for me. I had to find it out for myself. And there's no better cure or healer than nature.
Pretty good.
Shine, shine.